Hello everyone and welcome to my video. My name is Ferdi Jaya Prahadika and my student number is 25081010237. Today I'm here to fulfill my English assignment by presenting a comprehensive review of a film that's not only took the world by storm but also made history in the cinema industry. I'm talking about the South Korean masterpiece Parasite, directed by the visionary Bong Joon-ho. Parasite was released in 2019. To briefly summarize the plot without giving too much away, immediately the film follows the Kim family, who are struggling financially and living in a semi-basement apartment. Through a series of cunning schemes, they slowly infiltrate the wealthy Park family household by posing as unrelated, highly qualified professionals. Genre-wise, this movie is a unique blend. It is a dark comedy, a thriller, and a drama all rolled into one. It is famously known for winning the Palme d'Or at Cannes and became the first non-English language film to win the Academy Awards for Best Picture. It also won Best Director, Best Original Screenplay, and Best International Feature Film. Moving on the plot analysis, the storyline is incredibly original, while stories about class struggle are not new. The way Parasite tackles it through the metaphor of infiltration is fresh and gripping. The pacing of the movie is masterful. The first half plays out almost like a heist movie or a comedy. You find yourself rooting for the Kim family as they cleverly trick the gullible Park family. It moves quickly and is very entertaining. However, the plot development takes a sharp turn at the midpoint. There is a significant plot twist involving the former housekeeper that completely shift the tone from comedy to horror and tragedy. This shift is not jarring, instead, it feels like the natural consequence of the character action. The rainy night sequence is particularly memorable, serves as a turning point that was away the humor and leaves only the harsh reality of their situation. Let's talk about the character. The main focus is on the Kim family, the father Kitae, mother Chung So, Sun Ki-woo, and Dr. Ki-jung. What makes the character development interesting is that there are no clear villains. The Kims are con artists, yes, but they are doing it to survive. The Park are wealthy and somewhat ignorant, but they are not necessarily evil people, as the character Kita says. They are nice because they are rich. The performances are stellar across the board. Song Kang-ho, who plays the father, delivers a nuanced performance that ranges from comedic to deeply tragic. His facial expression alone tell the story of a man whose dignity is slowly being eroded. The ensemble cast work perfectly together, creating a believable family dynamic that anchors the film. Now regarding director Bong Joon-ho vision. His attention to detail is obsessive. The film is masterclass in visual storytelling. The cinematography used verticality to represent social status. The park life in on a hill up high, better in sunlight. The Kims live in a semi-basement, literally underground. When the Kims have to escape the park house, the camera follow them moving down, down and down through endless staircase, visually embasing their descent back to poverty. A unique technique used in the framing often lines in the architecture like windows or glass wall are used to visually separate the rich character from the poor character even when they are in the same room. The aesthetic is clean and modern in the rich house, contrasting sharply with the cluttered texture of the poor neighborhood. Sound and music play a crucial role in Parasite. The score, composed by Jung Jae-il, is distinctly yet playful. There is a specific piece of music called the Belt of Fight that's played during the montage where the Kims execute their plan to get the housekeeper fired. The music is fast-paced, almost operatic, which makes the deception feel grand and dramatic, adding to dark humor. Sound effects are also used to build tension. The sound of rain is soothing for the rich family but terrifying for the poor family as their home floods. Silence is also used effectively, especially in the tense scenes in the basement, making the audience hold their breath. The central themes of Parasite is obviously class inequality and the wealth gap. However, the message goes deeper than just rich versus poor. The movie explored the concept of parasitism. At first, we think the poor family are the parasite feeding off the rich, but the movie suggests the rich are also parasite. They cannot cook, clean, or drive without the labor of the poor. They are helpless on their own. Another powerful motive is the smell. The father, Mr. Kim, becomes obsessed with the idea that he smells like old radius or a subway station, the smell of poverty. This theme conveys how class prejudice is not just about money, but about a physical, unscalable stigma that separates people. In my personal opinion, Parasite is a near perfect film. It is rare to find a movie that can make you laugh out loud 1 minute and feel absolute dread the next. What I like most was that it respects the audience intelligence. It doesn't spoon feed you the moral of the story. It shows you the reality and lets you decide. If I had to find a weakness, some might find the violence in the climax a bit shocking compared to the rest of the film, but I believe it was necessary for the narrative. I would highly recommend this movie to anyone who enjoy psychological thriller or social drama. Even if you don't usually watch movies with subtitle, this is the one exception you must make. It is a universal story that resonates regardless of language. In summary, Parasite is a stunning, thought-provoking masterpiece. It offers a haunting look at social mobility that stays with you long after it ends. I give it a solid 10 of a 10. It is a modern classic. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next